Wow. That thing needs to be exercised. Let's set you down here for a second, guys. There we go. A couple more times. All right, that's good. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. I have a problem, and it's with a valve on my boiler system. So let's take care of this today, and I'll explain what's happening. I do have the wood stove off, but I forgot to shut the valve off. There should be two valves. Okay, that's return. That's the one that's going. I'm going to shut this one off as well. Oh, I always had to shut. There we go. All right, everything's off. So last week I noticed one day I come into my garage and it was 78 degrees. The water wasn't shutting off, the hot water. The thermostat told it to shut off, but the valve wasn't working. So I go down and I looked, and sure enough, my zone valve went bad. It was leaking pretty good. And so I was able to isolate some things and shut that zone down. In the meantime, I got a phone call. My dad got into a bicycle accident in Florida and broke his pelvis. So I had to get down there, and I was down there for a week. It's a fracture, a light fracture in his pelvis. He's in a lot of pain. You know, he's elderly. He's 81 years old, but he's moving really well. So I was down there for a week, got back yesterday, and he's doing good. But I need to get this done. And so this has been weighing on me because this valve was leaking pretty bad. And if I would have lost all that water while I was in Florida, I probably would have melted down my wood stove. So let's go and check out what we need to do, and I'll explain to you what's happening. Got to find some things here. Things like this. Let's get that. I have a little one too somewhere. Okay, where you at? There it is. All right. This taco valve right here failed. I think it's 56-1-5. It's a 3/4 inch sweat on pipe. This was leaking. You could obviously see it pretty bad, but I was able to isolate some things and zone this off. Here's the zone head for it, which I just bought last year. First one I needed in 25 years. And of course, after I bought that, then that failed. So I have a new one. This is the new one. This, they said, is a direct replacement. It's really not. So I'm going to have to do some creative plumbing. Abstract plumbing, maybe we'll call it. And redo it because the valve flows in different directions here. This comes in through C, which is the bottom one, and then either to the left or to the right. Or that one up there goes through or through the bypass. So I'm going to have to redo all that. So I'm going to cut that out. I'll show you guys when we're all done. I'll get it cut out, and then we'll show you what we have. So here's the problem with this valve compared to the new replacement. This one, the 56-1-5 taco, they don't make anymore. They replaced it with this. So here's the problem. I was told this is a direct replacement. It's not. This valve is open. It's calling for heat. Air blows out this side. No problem. When it's not calling for heat, it's climbing up. It comes out this side now. This one here coming out that side. Turn this. Now it comes out that side. So I'm going to have to do some creative in, up, over, and back down. Whatever side the power head's on is on. So what I'm going to do is get my plumbing ready to go, and I'll get you there. Give you a few views as I go. Well, that's what we're looking to do, guys. That's it. Everything's fluxed, cleaned and fluxed, so we're going to start sweating things together. Let's go turn the boiler back on. So, first thing, we gotta see if we have any leaks. Hopefully not. So we're going to turn this back on. Well, let's open the valve first. There we go. There we go. Open that, open that. All right. There it goes, water's flowing. Gotta fill up all the lines first. No leaks in this portion of it in here. We don't know about that yet. Okay, we got everything sweated back in. I actually put another drain valve in right there, so I have two of them now. I can blow that whole loop out and won't worry about this again. We got the valve on here, but guess what? Our power went out, so I can't test it. I'm not gonna haul the generator out yet for a while. Darn. All right, I turned the generator on because I wanted to know if everything was working. The valve turns, the lights on. I'm happy with that, and I see no leaks. Ooh, what was that? Nothing. Okay, just pipes expanding. Guys, we got that done. I think it's going to work out. But we're up and running, and you're going to see this the day after Thanksgiving, guys. And hopefully everybody was safe yesterday, had a good time with family and friends. But I just want to get on here also to mention I'm extremely thankful for each one of my friends and family members that enjoy the channel, and every one of my subscribers and viewers, whether you're subscribed or not. Thank you guys for coming along with me. It's been a good ride. I've been really enjoying doing this YouTube. I'm really thankful for the little community we built. We got a nice group of guys that I see them on every video. So guys, all of you, whether you comment or not, I'm thankful for every one of you. And leave it at that. Enough of the sappy stuff. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you out on some project next time. Take care.